It's here! What is here, you ask? And why am I dressed like a Nigerian drug lord? I only have the answer to one of those questions. And it's in this box! It's a package! To be opened by me! Unboxing video! Woo! Ta-da! Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome to Khidr's ASMR channel. Oh, you actually like that? Weirdo. Alhamdulillah, these are the items that I got. We have the Audio-Technica ATR2500, which is a condenser microphone. So we got two of these for the upcoming podcasts that we're going to be starting, inshallah. Microphone stands, I got 3 just in case, and the pop filter. Do you want to know how it sounds? I'm pretty sure you want to know how it sounds. Of course you want to know how it sounds. I want to know how it sounds. To actually do this, you actually have to connect it to the computer. Take the wires, you connect them, then you got to go to your trusty laptop. Don't look at my password. You got to open some recording software, Audacity running. Okay, this is how it sounds like with the Rode mic, the shotgun mic that's on the camera, and this is how it sounds when I'm using this microphone. So if the audio is really clear, then, and it's a bit awkward if I was to speak like this all the time. Obviously that's why we bought the arms. So you don't know how excited I am. So this is how it looks like with the pop filter. It looks more official now, doesn't it? The reason why I'm making this unboxing and showing all of the gear is to show that I really am serious about this channel, and I really hope that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows me to keep making these videos and keep benefiting the ummah in any way I can. I really want to thank everyone who's watching these videos. We hope to grow with you guys, and even though subhanAllah we're at like the budding 1,000+ subscribers, I really hope that we can grow together. And yeah, subhanAllah, it's gonna be a journey. Can't like remove the smile on my face because I'm just so happy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us so much. وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ. Jazakumullah khair for watching, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you guys good always. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I can finally start ASMR videos. Just kidding. Halal ASMR videos. Weirdos.